In front of me is UMIDIGI G5 Tab, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this device. Begin by opening Play Store to download free app called DevCheck Device and System Info from Flare to Developer. When it's ready, launch it. Then thanks to it, you can learn all the informations about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!